Hi, to block emails on iPhone 16e, you need to go in your phone settings first, and here scroll till this last tab apps. Now we need to find mail in the list. I'm gonna use search bar, and after that start scrolling down until you can find this section blocked. So, you will not receive phone calls, messages, email, or FaceTime from people on the block list. Click here to add new and find just any person from your contacts list which you want to block. Tap it to select, and this is how it will look. If this person is not in your contacts list, then you would need to find Contacts app, click on plus and add new contact, and then you will be able to block it in this mail setting. To unblock, tap edit, tap on minus, and then choose to unblock. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.